This thing is great. Fantastic coffee. You don't really need an additional filter as it has sufficient filter made out of metal of some sort. It's not rusting, but you can put the filter if you want, but you don't really need it. The best thing about it is that you can program it so it brews coffee for you at a specific time in the morning. For instance, I program mine to brew coffee automatically at 6 a.m. So before I go to sleep, I just put grinded coffee, put some water, close it, push start, and say auto on and auto off. At 6 o'clock, it automatically starts brewing, and I have a fresh cup of joe. And you can also make it so it stays warm and hot for some duration. It's awesome.